So this morning I had a little moment. I woke up and I was like, today's a new day. Everything's gonna be fine. And then I started crying. But do you know what? I'm about to go kayaking with some of my best friends. So that's gonna be so fun. I'm just gonna chill for a bit and then head on over to Dayna's and have a good time. So Dayna just picked me up. We're in the car. I'm going to get Chloe and Penny. She's not very pleased that I'm vlogging because she doesn't want her side profile in it. But she'll have to get used to it because this is my life now.
This is me now.
This is me. We have a Chloe.
Hi.
We have a Penny.
Hello.
We're at Dayna's beach house. I'm gonna go swimming and see. Woo. Dayna made an Oreo cake. It's vegan.
But the summer is gone. But the summer is gone.
Penny keeps farting. This is daily vlog 387. People are here. Vlog. Maddie has joined. Maddie has joined. See you soon.
Maddie is finally here. We're on the beach and people are walking past and I'm just sitting here topless because I'm about that life. Don't really care. Free the nipple. Free the fucking nipple.
But the summer is gone. But the summer is gone. But the summer is gone. But the summer
So I was just discussing what today's little lesson was going to be. So one of my friends suggested that it be Penny.
Put on about 20 stone. Dye your hair green. Wow! And give good blowjob.
Dayna, if you could give one piece of advice to someone, just life advice, what would you say?
You need to go vegan. I
Vegan.
tell everybody to go.
Okay. That's life advice from Dayna. You heard it here first. Dayna in the house, go vegan. I had Penny's advice. Penny's is be Penny. Dayna's is go vegan. What's yours, Maddie?
Be a fairy. Be a fairy.
Fuck's sake! That was my line! Chloe's life advice.
Don't break hearts, guys. It hurts people. That's it.
We're going to bed. It's been good. It's been a fun day.
The air and the light is gold, and it's been a golden day.
Golden day.
Beans.
Okay, that's enough. You're a bit close. That's enough vlogging for now.
Beans. Beans. Beans.